Can you measure Burj Khalifa with a small stick? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered how you can measure the height of the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, without actually climbing it? What if I told you that with just a stick and a little math, you can find the answer? Welcome to the fascinating world of similarity in mathematics. In mathematics, two shapes are similar if they have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. This means their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are proportional. Think of it like zooming in or out on an image. It looks the same, just bigger or smaller. One of the most powerful applications in similarity is in triangles. If two triangles have equal angles, their sides will be in the same ratio. This principle allows us to measure the height of a geometry structure using small objects. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Place a small stick vertically on the ground and measure its height and shadow length. Step 2. Measure the shadow of Burj Khalifa. Since the sun rays are coming from the same angle, the two triangles formed by the stick and the Burj Khalifa are similar. By setting up a proportion, you can solve for the Burj Khalifa height. Let's say the stick is 1.5 meters tall and its shadow is 1.8 meters long. If the Burj Khalifa shadow is 993 meter, we set up the proportion. This calculation is very close approximation to the actual height of Burj Khalifa, which is 828 meters. This method is simple yet effective for estimating the height of any tall structure. But similarity isn't limited to triangles. Consider circles. Any two circles are always similar because they have the same shape regardless of their size. The same applies to rectangles and regular polygons. So, next time you see a towering structure, try this trick and impress your friend with your math skills. And also, don't forget to subscribe and visit Cosmic Killers for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.